So today we're working on a 2014 E150. We're going to be doing the Upstream O2 sensors. You're going to need one of these guys right here. These are O2 sensor sockets. And then you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet. And your first step is going to be to remove this. And then there are these 4 clips right here. 2 right here, and then 2 right here. Unclip those, and then she'll pull right out. Now you have incredible access to both sides Upstream O2 sensors. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a torch and you're gonna heat the base of the O2 sensor. Just get it nice and hot. It's gonna make it easier for it to come off. Just want to heat up the base right here, and then you're going to use your O2 sensor socket. Place it on there as so. And grab your ratchet. You always want to double check that your parts are the same. Double check the connector. All right, 6 pins, looks the same. Once it cools down, I'm gonna loosen the O2 sensor off and then plug the new ones in. Now I just have the socket on here still just because it's a little hot. All right, so here's your old one. All right, once you got it hand tight, then you can throw your socket on there and put your ratchet on. This is an O2 sensor socket. It's 7/8, and it's got this slit right here to allow your wire some space. If you don't have this, you can also use a wrench. It may be more difficult. And you just want to get it nice and snug. All right, then you grab your connector. Plug her in, and then insert this grommets right here, and you're all done. Actually, wait, we're not all done. We gotta put the panels back. Sometimes it's easier if you pull this panel out of the way to gain access. Just make sure you're not putting too much tension on the cables, the wiring. And then you can see this little hole right here. You wanna make sure that you get that in there, and then pull that like so. Same thing down here. There's a little bar you want to get to. All right. All right, those are your last steps for doing your Upstream O2 sensors. The access for the upstream is the easiest for this. Downstream, you might not be able to do it this way. But anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.